It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. And today I just got a package in and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. So if you interested in seeing what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, Print Squad, big timers, old timers, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome, first timer. Y'all, I just got a package in that contains some missing pieces to some items that I had already purchased, plus another item that I had been needing. And with this package coming in today, it just reminded me of how many items I actually own from this one company. So I'm just gonna kind of do a little show and tell with those also. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So here's the box right here, and it's from Mighty Hoops, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna check this thing out. All right, so let me see. And y'all, this shipping got this stuff shipped so fast. I don't know how they get their stuff to ship so fast, but I always get stuff before it's supposed to be here when I order from them. And Hoop Master, Midwest Products, Mighty Hoops, that, you know, that's pretty much the same. I can't say it's the same company, but they're all the same product. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. All right, so right here I have the Tajima side embroidery machine. So this right here is actually the arms that work with my machine right here. And so this hoop right here, you can use it to do sleeves. And right here, these are the missing pieces that I was talking about earlier. Just looking at this, you probably can't tell what this is or what to do with it, but it is the missing piece I was talking about earlier to one of the pieces of equipment that I already own. So we have this right here, and let me see. And this other one right here. So y'all probably like, okay, you got two of the same item. Not exactly. You see the size difference right there. So I'ma first show y'all what I would do with this first hoop right here. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I would do with this. And then we're gonna do a little show and tell, and I'm gonna show y'all the equipment, all of the Midwest products that I own. Okay, so y'all see this varsity jacket right here that I did in a previous video, and I'm gonna link that video up here for y'all. Actually, I'm just gonna do a whole playlist of the video up here and a more detailed description of all of these pieces of equipment that I own. So if y'all interested in that, y'all can click on the little link that pops up on one of these sides up here, and y'all can check that out. But look, y'all, I don't know if y'all remember when I did this video and I had to hoop and then re-hoop. So if I had this right here, as y'all see, both of them fit inside here. So this one is for a sleeve, and I could do both of these in one hoop and I wouldn't have had to re-hoop, which would have been a time saver and everything else. So yeah, by having the right pieces of equipment, you can save a whole lot of time. Like with these magnetic hoops, like I'll probably have to do a whole nother video on that, magnetic hoops compared to the factory hoops that come with the machine. Because when you got these magnetic hoops, it saves so much time hooping, and you can get it hooped correctly by using some of these tools I'm about to show y'all. Before I go in here and show y'all all these tools, I'm gonna go ahead and put these arms onto the hoop. That way it's ready to go. All right, so right here is where I keep my hooping stations. I actually have one more right over here, which I sometimes move so that I have a little bit more space to store everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back up here. And we're gonna go ahead and put the hoops over here on my wall. Next thing we're gonna do is take these right here. I'm only gonna put this one on right here, because right here with this one, I mostly do use this one for the pocket logos. So I may not really need to put this one on. I'll have to exchange this for this right here, but they're both pretty much gonna be the same way to put on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. And it's very simple to do. It's not, you know, it's not that much to it. Let me see, it does have the instructions right here, I think. Adjustable jacket backs, back fixture. It'll show you how to use this fixture on the website right here. So I think all I do is stick this on here and screw it in these holes right here. Wherever I decide to put it, I think I just screw it in those holes right there. And then this other part right here is going to go, let me see, this way. And depending on what level you want to put it on, you just tighten up the screws in the back. All right. So I'm just going to put it right here at this top mark. Yeah, you're going to have to screw this in wherever you want this to go. So I'm just going to find a place. And the where you screw it in at is going to depend on the hoop, which hoop you're using. So I'm gonna put it right here. That's good enough right there. So I'm just gonna grab a hoop from over here. And let me see. I don't know if this is gonna fit. I probably should have tested that out before I did this. Okay, we're gonna have to raise this up. Since this one is easier to do, I'm gonna raise that up right here. All right, so now I can tighten it back up. And I am ready to hoop whatever I would need to center on here. So I'm just gonna grab something and kind of show y'all how it works. Okay, and this piece of stabilizer I already have stitched on it, but since I'm just showing y'all this for an example, I'm just gonna toss this on here so y'all can see. Okay, so we just put it down like that, and then we will put our shirt, whatever type of shirt we're doing, on here. And you can see the center line right here. And also you can see how far down you want to put your design. So we just gonna make it so that this design is in the hoop right here. And then all you have to do is take your hoop and right there, you have a drum tight. If you need to, you know, tighten it up a little bit, because sometimes you can do that. But we got a perfect drum tight, ready to go, hooped, hooded t-shirt. So now that I've set everything up and kind of showed y'all how to use the new pieces of equipment, I just want to go over what I have. So as y'all see, I do have the 12x8 hooping station right here, and it's set up and ready to go so I can center some items on here. This one right here, I mostly use this. This came as a set. It actually came as a set. It included this T-squared right here. It included this stand, like this bottom base right here. This right here is actually a different piece of equipment right here. And this piece of equipment, I use it to do like, I use it to do all kind of things. I got videos up that show me using this for different things, but the best thing that I use it for is for like hooping sleeves, hooping beanies and stuff like this. And this is the 4 1/4 by 13-inch arm to go on. You know, it's just a it's just this one piece right here, and it comes in really handy when you're hooping like sleeves and also beanies and stuff like that. Anything small, like a small bag. You can even hoop like infant or toddler items on here. Right here, this is the original board that came with this set right here. I got the 5x5 hooping station set or whatever. And I may not be saying the correct names because I don't be remembering the correct names, but I will try to put them on the screen for y'all. And this right here, it actually came with the set, and it was actually on this stand right here. But I took it off because I mostly do this. Now with this, you can do a lot of different things with this too. But because this one, y'all can kind of see the top one, this one right here, the original one that I had that came with the set, it is wider. So if you're doing like sleeves and beanies, it will help to have this thinner one right here that's 4 1/4 wide. And this one right here is 5x5. So when we come over here to the wall, I got this one that I just had. So I'm gonna put this one back over here. But this is the 8x9 hoop right here, 8x9. This right here, this one is the 5x9, I think, or 9x5. It's like basically 9x5, it's 8.5. This is the 9x5 right here. And right here we have the 5x10. Yeah, so if you want to put like a one line name or something onto a shirt, this will be the best hoop to use for that. And this one, as I was showing y'all earlier, would be good for sleeves. And right here, this one I mostly use for pocket logos. I also use it for beanies, and I have used it for sleeves before also. And it's a few other things that you can use this for too. Yeah, but that's pretty much all the hoops that I have. And I do have one more piece of equipment that I use even when I'm not doing embroidery. So I'm gonna go to the front and let you guys check that out. All right, so right here is my folding bag, and this is what I use to fold all of my t-shirts up. Probably my most used piece of equipment, because every t-shirt that I print, it goes through this folding bag and gets folded up, put in a bag before I hand it over to the customer. So all of these products that I have from Midwest Products, aka Hoop Master, aka Mighty Hoop Products, they go, you know, they got all these different names, but they all working together to create these products. So if y'all are interested in any of these products, I will have a link down below and my code that you can use to save money. So use my link down below this video and my code. That'll help. That way you guys can save a little money if you are looking to purchase some of these products that I showed in this video. But yeah, if y'all are interested in me doing a video showing y'all to hoop with the regular hoops and how much time you would save by having a Mighty Hoop. So if y'all are interested in a video like that, let me know down below. And if you like what you saw or found this video helpful, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. And if you are still watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you in the next episode. But until then, be blessed.